Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this video we'll be talking about custom objects and custom tabs. So let's jump right in. Let's go to Object Manager. Within Object Manager you will see a list of objects, either standard or custom. Now, what is an object? An object in Salesforce is like a table where you can store your data. It resembles a spreadsheet, like columns and rows and such. So there's two types, there's standard and custom. So standard is already provided by Salesforce. And the thing with standard objects, you can't delete the object. But with custom object, it is created by the user and it can be deleted. So let's go to the drop down right over here, create custom object. And let's create a smartphone object. Smartphones phone let's say brands for the description. So right over here is going to be our first field within the object. So it's either going to be text or an auto number data type. So let's keep it at text. So for optional features, we can allow reporting, activities, and we can track field history. I'm going to check all those off so we're able to do all those. So I'm going to allow sharing. And for deployment status, there's in development and deployed. So in development means you are in the process of building the object, but it's not going to be presented in your org. So we're going to deploy it. I'm going to allow searches because in Salesforce you're going to search a lot of things. So save. So let's look for it. So it was called smartphone, right? So it's not there. So the reason being is you need to create a tab. Now, what is a tab? A tab gives you access to the object. So users are able to click on the tab and store data. So let's create a tab. So smartphone right over here. So that's the object I selected. Now let's click the tab style. Now we do have a plethora of tabs. Let's pick the most appropriate one. So I see cell phone, so it seems very relevant. So let's go to next. So this is for profiles. I'm just gonna keep it default on for all profiles. And this is for the apps available in the org. So I'm going to include them all. So it is created. Let's see if it shows up in the app launcher. Smart. No, let's refresh. Let's see if it appears. Here we go. Yeah, if this happens, you may want to refresh the page. So as you can see on the sales console, smartphones tab. So let's go to new. So like I said, this is the only field available. So can you add more to this object? Yeah, let's go back to the home page. Let's go to setup. So what you want to do is let's create a custom field. So let's look for the particular object, which is smartphone. You click on this, so you have a set of options. So let's create a field. So you go to fields and relationships, go to new. Now there's a lot of data types right over here. So I'm going to select pick list. So let's use, let's say network, just for an example. So, okay, let's put T-Mobile. Let's put Ultra Mobile. Let's put Verizon. There could be more, but I'm just going to put the 3. Alright, everything looks fine. I'm going to keep it as it is. These are the default settings. So let's go to next. I'm going to make it visible for all. If you click read only, it's going to be read only for those profiles, so they can't really do much except read it. So visible, and it's going to be on the smartphone layout. So save. Let me go to page layout, go to smartphone layout. Alright, it's there. But you know what? Let's go there and check. So smartphones. Let's go to new. So as you can see, smartphone name. Let's call it Apple iPhone, and the network, let's say it's Verizon. Let's save it. There you go. A field is created, an object was created, and a tab was created. So that's all I wanted to show you guys. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to help you out. Leave some comments. And thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next one.